What is going on, guys? It's Tony here from Ralda's Details. So what you guys saw right there, that was Ivan finishing up this beautiful setup. We still got a little bit going on. We have to install, you know, this nice colors, bottle holders here. And the good thing that Julian showed up and he was able to help him out, you know, because I was doing some other activities. Taking a shower because I was kind of doing some exercise, that type of stuff. So I am enjoying doing that stuff more often. But anyways, this is looking really nice. Normally, like the way this thing works is like the client order their setup, we start working, and we kind of build this to the 90%. The last thing I need is the van for 1 day in order for us to push the entire setup in there, install everything, and test it out. So that's
and then I forgot my GoPro in the place that I bought.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, but it was like 5 minutes early.
Okay.
Yeah.
How you like it?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Looking nice, bro. Oh my god, yo. Yeah, yo, it's a keyboard.
We need to follow this guy.
Shit, brother.
Okay.
That's amazing, man. That's amazing. Wow, man. Damn. Yo, look at this color matching here, man.
They look nice, right?
They
I
look
love those
perfect,
colors.
man.
I love those colors.
Yes, sir. Oh, man, we did a great job. It's amazing, bro. I can't even believe, man.
You can't believe it?
This is like, for me, I'm dreaming. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow in my bed.
No, look. Okay.
I'm still waiting.
You're not dreaming.
Damn, man. Wow, bro. Looking nice. Yeah, I can't wait to start working, bro.
Right?
Yeah, start using all this, put
Yeah.
into work to see how it is.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nah, I can
It's
see
nice.
it already, man. Oh my god, bro. Like, this has been a dream for me, you know, and like accomplish this thanks to you, you know, and thanking God first of all.
Definitely.
Like, it's literally like I don't have words to explain
Yeah,
you know, how
yeah.
I feel right now. Like, all of this was inside my head like almost a year ago, in the beginning of the year when I started this. All of this was right here, you know.
Yeah,
and now
exactly.
It's right here.
Now it's here. It's, I mean,
It's reality, you know.
it's reality now. You got it, bro.
Yeah, brother.
All right, so we just got one more thing to do, which is install the nice Fortress air compressor right there.
Sir,
Yeah.
had to and get it an hour from here because they didn't have it, but
Yeah.
you know what it is, man. You got it. That's
So
it.
nice.
Yeah,
All
man, as soon
right.
as I'm back there, I'm gonna try to put this, start to make this more, you know, pushing.
Yep. Strap, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't hear your name. Julian. Julian. Yeah. Nice. My name is Juan, man. Juan. Nice to meet you, brother.
Juan Oliveira.
Juan Oliveira.
Juan Oliveira. So guys, we got Juan Oliveira in the house.
Did you find some coffee beans here?
Coffee what?
Coffee beans? No? It's
No?
because we
Oh,
we
that's
put a
for the
bench.
smell.
Yeah.
I used to be a fish fan.
Yeah.
All right, so let's do this. Let's talk a little bit about what is the plan
All right, so
for save time mobile detailing, correct?
yes, sir. Save time over detailing. So,
All right.
first of all, for those who don't know me, my name's Juan, right? I came all the way from New Jersey to get my van set up with this guy right here.
All right.
And you already know he does great work. You know, his work speaks for itself. But let's talk a little bit about the business. So I started this business on January.
Okay.
Is when I started having the ideas. I started taking out a little bit on the paper and started doing. But I was doing it out of my Corolla, and it was a little bit messy, you know, like a small car trying to fit everything inside. But I
Correct.
had access to water or energy. And it was then, that was how I found Tony. And I contacted him to try to set up to schedule up the setup. And now we came here to get it. And right now, we're gonna come back there, and my plan is to be the best detailer in my area.
There you go.
By the end of the year.
That's the attitude. Yeah.
You gotta be, man.
Exactly.
So, yeah, so like I'm gonna start working right when I came back. This is my brother Veros right here.
All right.
Yeah, so he's gonna be working with me, helping me out with everything. In the beginning, I'm gonna be doing it alone because he has another work, you know. So when I know that I'm getting a certain level of clientele,
Okay.
and I know for sure that he can come out to help me, he's gonna come out to help me out.
Gotcha.
And yeah, man, I'm very excited for it to start this, you know. Like this has been my dream, like since the beginning of the year when I first learned about detailing. And like now everything is reality, you know, thanking God, everything like worked out.
That's great, man.
Yeah, man.
And who else is with you? Who else is helping you with this right here?
This right here
All right.
is my wife.
There
right?
you go.
Maria.
Amazing.
How are
So,
you?
So without her, I wouldn't be here today.
that's right. That's right.
Because she always hyped me up. Every time I was down, I wasn't believing myself. I was losing trust on myself. She was, no, you got this. I know you got this.
Persistent, right?
Gotta be persistent. So
Persistent.
Yeah,
So
that's
she
right.
helped me.
Triple, I believe in
Yeah. So she helped me in every way, like not only talking to me, but also helping out in the cars. Sometimes
Correct.
I was doing the cars on the summer
Oh
there,
my
and
God.
the sun is hitting on us, and she was here doing the door jams and everything.
Nice, nice.
You know, so she's always
That's
helping me
amazing.
out.
I
And-
like that, you know, because same thing when I started, you know, my wife, she was there all the time.
Yeah.
I was doing electrical work,
Yeah.
and my clients, they was dropping off some cars, you know, for us to detail it, you know. So
Mm-hmm.
I told them, okay, let's drop off the vehicle. She was taking care of the interior and all that stuff, and then when I come
Damn.
back, I just do the exterior because she loves doing interiors.
She loves it.
But not so much the exterior. So, but you know, when I was finished, you know, working my electrical work, working
Yeah.
10 hours. After 10 hours, you know,
Damn,
drive 45 minutes back home, and then I started detailing the exterior, you know, and still
Yeah.
making videos for
Wow.
YouTube.
You were
So,
making videos at
yeah,
the time?
making videos, you know, for
my
YouTube and
God.
all that stuff. So, but I mean, it's amazing.
But
I just
you,
love it,
yeah,
man.
That's how you got here, man. Like, hustling, you know.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Hard working,
It's
hard
a
work
lot of
pays
work.
off.
Yeah.
You know, hard work pays off. You know, and God sees, like God says that, like the work is what humbles the man, right? So, like we gotta work hard, you know.
That's right. That's
We
right.
gotta work hard, and
Hard work, God
yeah, I work
Yeah,
at first. So now I gotta
exactly.
make this work so I can give her the life that
This
she
is gonna
deserves.
work.
Yes.
This is gonna work.
Man,
Definitely.
this is already working, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Like, what? This is crazy, man. Like,
Yeah. Let's check that. Let's check out this side
yeah.
over here. Like,
So you want me to explain a little
yeah,
bit?
yeah. I would love.
So, all right, so here's gonna be the pad holders, right?
Okay.
I got this personalized to match the color right here.
yeah.
You know, because you gotta be getting on the attention, you know?
Correct. Yeah.
So here's gonna be the pad holders right here, the polisher holders. Here's where I'm gonna put all the products that is like in gallon form.
In gallon. Yep.
So I can put it right here when the bottle is over. I
Yep.
just come here, get it. put
That's
it,
right.
And that's it. So right here we got the air compressor. This compressor is very good. You can use the alternator and everything. You won't like run out of air with you.
Yep.
This is the pump, right?
Yeah, that's the pressure washer, which is a really
pressure
good
washer.
one. Like the 16. I mean, it's not the 16. This is the AR Blue 630, which is a beast.
Yeah. Here
Yes.
he knows. I don't know that much, but I trust him. So he knows all.
All right.
Yeah. This is the tank of water right here.
Yep. This is
So
a
if you-
65 gallon. Yep.
65-gallon water tank right here. Let's move over to this side. So here in the door, in the back
doors.
door, you can see we have all the place so we can put the spray bottles. Also personalized with this beautiful logo on it.
There you go.
And you already know, like, it's beautiful. You can see it, right? And this side, we got the brush holders and everything. Looks amazing too. And here we got some storage, so we can put other things that are important. We can put like the premium rags right here. Here we can put some rags too, the dirty rags or whatever.
Correct. Yep.
Right? Here we got the vacuum hose. You just pull it out and pull it back, and that's it. You got no hustle trying to put all the hoses together back, like
Right.
taking 1 hour just pulling back the hoses, you know? And then it's tango, and man, it's
Yeah.
crazy. So this is
I
really
feel you.
like making 10 times better, like more efficient.
Correct.
You know, this right here is the pressure washer. The gun right here, you just pull it out. The same thing. Here is the air compressor.
Yep.
You just connect your tornado or anything
tool.
else.
Yep.
Yes, sir. And you can connect the tornado here so you can put it away and not
That's right.
damage.
Correct.
This is like, that's the little details that makes the whole difference, right? And here you also can put your foam cannon here in the back.
That's correct.
And here you got where your electrical power.
Yep.
And yeah, you got all the space right here. You can turn on everything here.
That's
right?
correct. That's for your pressure washer.
Yeah, for the pressure washer. Where here we got the vacuum that will be
Yep.
put
We're
right
still
there.
gonna install it right there.
Yeah.
Yep. That's the space for the vacuum.
Yeah, we had to remove it to put the
Air compressor. Yep.
But here is the generator.
Mm-hmm.
This generator is awesome. Not only is like very small, so it fits good, but also it's very quiet. He turned on here.
Yep.
Ivan turned on.
Yeah.
And it was very like no noise at all. Like literally, if you were working right there in the car, you can't even hear.
You can even
So,
talking with no
yeah,
problem. Like
It's
yep.
like even record a video,
Exactly.
it won't
Yep.
damage the audio of the video.
Yep.
So yeah, and then here we got some space so we can put like the extractor, the steamer, or whatever it is you want to put
Exactly.
here, you know. And yeah, I think that's it, right? And here we also got when we're gonna fill up the buckets,
The bucket
which
filler.
makes our life 10 times easier. You just put the bucket right here, put
There
it here,
you go.
and that's it. Very easy, man.
Amazing. Yeah, brother.
man.
Thank you so much for that tour, you know, of your own setup.
Man,
It's
thank
amazing.
you.
And bro, like I love the the colors. I love the logo.
Thank you, brother.
It's
Thank
nice. Save time, mobile detailing.
Yes, sir.
In New Jersey, correct?
New Jersey, man.
New Jersey. All
Anywhere
right.
in New Jersey, give me a call. You already know who
There
I
you
got
go.
you. Who I got
Yeah,
you. Here's the
definitely.
number right here.
There you go. Call that number right there. Got an Instagram, Facebook.
Yes.
They will take care of you. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So that is gonna be it on this video. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be doing some more videos tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna be talking about some nice products from Brazil.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Yes. We got
so-
some news for you guys.
Yeah. So all right. So stay tuned, guys, because we're gonna be doing some more videos. Vonixx is what we're gonna be using tomorrow. All right, guys. Like, share, subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.